These filters are not bad to have. I'll make it so it's always there to fix, potentially. Need be. He's fine with his work. Trying to think of like what else I need to do.
Hey, there's something I gotta tell you.
The fuck?
Hey, you want it?
Yeah,
What is it?
I need something. Too.
What do you mean?
The arm that I lost in an accident. It's weird.
Wait a minute. Isn't phantom pain supposed to work the other way around? Like, if you had an arm and then you lost...
What? I don't know. It's your arm, not mine. Damn, everything is so fucked up in here.
Okay, calm down.
All right, so you know there's only one way to...
What are you
Painkillers, what else? Tramadol, hydrocodone, codeine, or that shit you doped me with before. That
Okay, I get it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Just don't go too heavy.
Like I don't know that. I hear, but I ain't going back down there.
That's it? He just got fixed? Alright. I guess. So, if I put him, I got 36. 36 versus... Yeah, so he only gets the benefit of